Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add Tonkeeper to Hamster Kombat. It's a very simple and easy process. I'll guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. Also install the Telegram app. After you download the app, launch the Tonkeeper app. Once you're in Tonkeeper, set up your account first. You can easily create a new account if you don't have any account. Next up, launch the Telegram app. After you're in the Telegram, set up your account here too. And after that, here you can see the search icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now search for Hamster Kombat. Here you will see the Hamster Kombat bot at the top of the list. Select that. Tap on this start button. Now select the option play in one click. Tap on start. Once you're in the Hamster Kombat website in your Telegram, now in order to add Tonkeeper, first of all, you need to choose this airdrop option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Right now, you are in the points tab. Select the withdrawal tab. Here you will find connect your Ton wallet option. Tap on it. Again, select connect your Ton wallet. Now it will give you a list of wallet that you can connect to. Select Tonkeeper from the list. Now it will prompt you to the Tonkeeper wallet app and ask you if you really want to connect Hamster Kombat with your Tonkeeper wallet. Select this option connect wallet. Enter your passcode of Tonkeeper. And there you go. That's how you can add Tonkeeper to Hamster Kombat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.